everyone, my name is Zelda and you are watching my channel Zelda Sews. Welcome back to another video. Well, it is another Friday and that means it is Friday Sews, where we get a chance to share our makes, our plans, and a little bit about life. Well, my makes, I haven't made anything. Well, I have been working on my Fabric Wheel of Fate project, and that will be coming out soon. That will be from spin number 3. I will be spinning number 3 and picking a fabric, and I'll be showing that to you here shortly. So that'll be my plan. Still trying to figure out what pattern to use because I have so many, and I'm trying to go with independent pattern companies, some that I know, but others that I don't know, so that I can get a feel of how their patterns fit on my body. I am excited that I am at a weight where I have been trying to reach for a long time. I reached it, and I'm happy. Will I be Coke bottle? Never. And I'm fine with that. At one time I was not. Everything I put on, I was just upset because I didn't like the way the clothes fit, and I blamed it all on myself. And that's what I should not have been doing. Should not. I should have been focusing on the pattern. And it could be I just don't know how to adjust it, or it's just not it's a bad pattern. And what do you do? You keep moving. That's why I like to do some pattern adjustments and twerk around, not twerk. I don't twerk around. But play around with adjustments to get the fit to where it feels good for where I am at this point. Not where I want to be, it's where I'm at. So that's what I'm working on plans. So I have to find a pattern that I like that will be versatile enough for me to go into different seasons with, because I don't have seasonal, well, quote, seasonal garments, because I just don't. I wear whatever I want to wear. When I wake up and I feel like I want to wear pink, and I made this. This is my first raglan top, and I'm so proud of it. I want to make this again, and I did do a review on this pattern. I don't know what it is, but it's one of the big fours. And Stacy Robbins did a tutorial on this particular pattern. I will see if I can find it and put it in the description so that you can see that if you want it. I just love it. It's very comfortable, and I find myself grabbing it in rotation, which is great. Okay. I said Fabric Wheel of Fate is coming up, and I don't know when I will be able to put that make together, because I'm having a hip replacement surgery next week. So next Friday on Valentine's Day, I should be home. I will put up a post saying I am well, God willing, and it's going to take me some time to get back into my sewing room to do some sewing, cutting. And the biggest part, I think, would be standing for a little bit, cutting out patterns, laying out patterns, but I will get back to it. So I just want to let you know that I will be missing for a little bit, but I will be back. Don't forget me, because I won't forget you. No. Oh, I know. Has anyone done any projector sewing? I know some of the patterns that I get, like the Love Notions, I see it. It has the home, copy shop, and projector. And I have never done projector. And I'm thinking about, I want to put it right there on that stand and consider projector sewing. I would love to know any of you who know anyone or you do it yourself. What do you think? And tell me a little bit more about it. I'm just digging into YouTube, and there is a Facebook group for projectors for sewing group that I found out about, that I am now actively involved in, just trying to get some information on projector sewing. Anything to make life a little bit easier. And my room, it looks like it's not a lot in here. There's my coffee stand. And oh, I'll tell you about that in just a moment. My teas. But I'm interested in projector sewing. So let me know. Let me know. I have, let me see. You can't see this. I'll take a picture of it. My bag of teas. This is from Plum Deluxe. And I ordered all these teas, and the one that I'm drinking right now, which I never thought I'd like, chai. I said, I want to try chai. I know Teresa from Lost My Thread. She likes chai tea or chai. I think it's tea. And this one is called Uplifting Coconut Chai. And it is really good. I never thought I'd be a chai person. I didn't put any milk in it. I'm just drinking it with plain with sugar. But they have all different kinds. This one I didn't like, buttery shortbread herbal, but the nightcap herbal, I do like this. I drank some last night, and it has peppermint, green rooibos, lemongrass, hibiscus, rosehip, chamomile, and valerian root. But this tastes good, nice and warm, a great nightcap for night. And you're not getting away without a scripture. No. Okay. I have my Bible, and this is from Psalm 145. I was watching a show, and I think the girl read this particular scripture, but she said, I'm reading from Psalms 145. And I thought it was so cute, because I remember when I first saw in the book of Psalms, and I said, oh, the book of Palms. So the book of Psalm 145, verses 18 and 19. The Lord is nigh unto all them that call upon him, to all that call upon him in truth. He will fulfill the desire of them that fear him. He also will hear their cry and will save them. That is a good word. So if you have hung out with me until this part of the video, thank you so much for hanging out. I greatly appreciate it. Please, if you haven't hit the like button, go ahead, hit the like, hit subscribe, and share this video with other people, and let people know about what I'm doing over here on this side of my camera. So I appreciate you guys. Take care. I will see you on the next video, and you'll see me in the comments. I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.